Relax as you listen to the sounds of the healing water. And all the time, as you relax and listen to the healing water and my voice, this peaceful relaxation simply grows and grows more and more. Just let yourself sink into the calming sounds of the healing water as you listen to my voice. Leaving the world outside as you take this time for yourself. The world will keep on turning and life will carry on without us. As this is time for you, as you leave all your routines from daily life outside and beyond this space. For this time, here and now, just letting go of all the links to everyday routine, just like ropes that hold you fixed into your life like a balloon. Just let the ropes go and let the balloon float away. And this is a pleasant feeling, just like floating into the sounds of the falling water, as all your thoughts slow down into peace and calm. And all the time, as you're just listening and tuning into this peace and calm, the relaxation just becomes more and more. And this is a pleasant feeling, a feeling of calm, of peace and of space, as if time is slowing down. And in a moment I'll ask you to imagine certain things, but it doesn't matter if you find you can't imagine the things I'm asking you to. You might even find your thoughts are wandering as you become more and more relaxed. Well, that's okay. The unconscious part of your mind is tuning in all the time. And shining down from above is a brilliant healing light which is tuning in to yourself, your whole body, mind and spirit. There is a pathway ahead of you which leads into another world. It's as if time stands still, a place of contemplation, a place where we can take time out, time to stop and rest, to take a break, to be within peace and calm. But just look towards this pathway in front of you, and there are 10 steps leading down to a beautiful alcove where the healing waterfall fills a pool of reflection, a place where you can take time out, time to think and absorb this healing experience. This is a special place, your special place. It's a beautiful day and you can hear the healing waterfall splashing into the pool of reflection. And all the time as you listen to the healing waterfall and my voice, this pleasant feeling of relaxation just fills your mind, body and spirit more and more. And there are 10 steps leading down to this secret alcove, and in a minute we'll walk down the 10 steps into even more of this pleasant relaxation as everything just slows down more and more. And this is your special private place, and you've allowed me to share this space as we travel on your journey of healing together. And now as I count down, just imagine yourself slowly walking down the 10 steps, down towards the beach, and all the time as I count down and you walk down, you'll just find this wonderful feeling of pure healing, relaxation filling yourself more and more. 10, 9, 8, just floating down now. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, nearly at the bottom. 2, 1. Now you're standing by the healing waterfall, which is then pouring down and splashing into the pool of the womb of nature, and maybe you can feel the water spray as it surrounds you, warm and comforting. This is a magical place. It's as if time is slowing down into nothingness, just like the eye of a tornado, in the middle being silent and calm and peaceful, being within this peace and calm where the healing energies can come through, as all the busy world spins around the outside of yourself. You're standing in just space and peace, tuning in to the energies from the archangels, like floating as all your thoughts slow down into this peace and calm, and all the time the relaxation just becomes more and more. And now imagine you're going to walk into the healing waterfall, to stand beneath and into the falling water. And there's a light shining down from above, which is warm and comforting and filled with waves of light and love. And the water from the waterfall is warm and comforting. It's as if time's slowing down now, far away from the busy world. The healing waterfall and the light of love shining and falling down on you from above is warm like a comforting blanket. Nothing but a happy peace and calm. And all the time as you relax and listen to my voice, this pleasant feeling just grows and grows more and more as time slows down and the healing waterfall flows over your whole self, your whole body, mind and spirit. And as you look at the pool of reflection where the waterfall falls, so calm, it looks like a sheet of glass, a glass mirror, which reflects everything clearly for you. And now I want you to see and feel yourself starting to float upwards towards the archangels above, who are waiting at the top of the healing waterfall, within the beam of spiritual light, healing water and energy, which is shining down on you. It's as if there is a magnet of love drawing you upwards into this divine peace and essence, floating up and away as if on a cloud or a magic carpet, just gently floating now like a balloon up and away towards the divine essence of the archangels above. And as the light grows, the love from the archangels becomes stronger and brighter until you're surrounded by the archangels, standing in the midst of the water. In front of you is Saint Raphael. Behind you is Saint Uriel. On your left hand is Saint Gabriel. And to your right is Saint Michael. I want you to imagine that your body is filled with sponge. A sponge that's light becomes heavy when filled with this healing liquid. I'm going to count down from 20 to 1, and as I count down, I want you to imagine that this light sponge in your body is filling with this divine healing fluid of love from the healing waterfall of the archangels. The warm healing liquid relaxation will fill in through your feet and along your legs and throughout your body, filling your head and your mind and your thoughts and your back and all your muscles and your nerves. A warm healing fluid of relaxation. This is a pleasant feeling, like floating as time slows down and you move more and more into peace and calm. I'm going to begin counting now as the healing fluid flows in through your feet. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, and now flowing into your body, warm, pleasant, heavy and relaxing. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, just filling your stomach, chest and shoulders, and flowing down your arms to your fingertips. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and now down along your spine and your backbone, simply filling and flushing all your nerves with this refreshing, pure essence of healing spiritual fluid. Now filling your head and your mind and your thoughts with this pure essence of healing fluid. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just hear and feel the crystal clear healing waters flowing through your body, down over your back, washing away any uncomfortableness until there is peace and calmness remaining, which is from the archangels. Hear and feel the crystal clear healing waters flowing through your body, down over your back, washing away any uncomfortableness until there is a peace and calmness remaining, which is from the archangels. Hear and feel the crystal clear healing waters flowing through your body, down over your back, washing away any uncomfortableness until there is peace and calmness remaining, which is from the archangels. Just hear and feel the crystal clear healing waters flowing through your body, down over your back, washing away any uncomfortableness until there is peace and calmness remaining, which is from the archangels. Hear and feel the crystal clear healing waters flowing through your body, down over your back, washing away any uncomfortableness until there is a peace and calmness remaining, which is from the archangels. Hear and feel the crystal clear healing waters flowing through your body, down over your back, washing away any uncomfortableness until there is peace and calmness remaining, which is from the archangels